Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be drawing one of the most beloved characters in the Pokemon franchise, Pikachu. But not just any Pikachu, we're going to be drawing a chibi version of Pikachu. So let's take out your pencil and let's get started. So first off, we're going to be doing this with simple shapes like we normally do. So we're going to just kind of put in a circle for Pikachu's head. So I'm going to start off with that. About like that's good. Okay, and then we're going to do a kind of a little oval there on the bottom for his body. Just like that. Okay, and then let's kind of put in where his ears, one of his ears are going to go right here. And it's going to connect about right there. And then the other one kind of just is kind of lazy and it just goes off maybe over there, just like that. Okay, and then we're going to put in a hand, maybe right here. Let's kind of give it a little curve there. Let me get my eraser. I don't like the way I did that one. Let's try it again. So we're going to do maybe like that. I like that better. Okay, and this hand is just going to be out by his side, like that. And then two little feet. And that's about good. So now we got our dimensions. Let's kind of stylize his head a little bit. So we want his head to come down right here. And then we want it to kind of go out a little bit like this. Kind of like a little pear shape in a way. So he'll have some little chubby cheeks here. So maybe about like that. Down like that. Let's see, let's clean this up and see what that outline's going to look like. Yeah, I think I like that. I think that's going to work very well. So you can see how I've came down and then just went out a little bit. So it gives him a little chubby. And that's one of the trademarks of the chibi characters, is they're a little bit chubby, which makes them all the more cute. I think that's good. I think we're going to go with that right there. Okay, so next, let's put in, how about let's put where his eyes are going to go. So let's do a circle, just a circle for one eye here. And then we'll do another one over here. Let's see how it's going to look. And then we're going to do like that. It's kind of like a 3. If you turn it this way, it'll look like a little shallow 3 in a way. So that's going to be Pikachu's mouth. And then maybe have it kind of like that. Okay, and then Pikachu has these rosy cheeks, which we're going to put in. And then on the tips of his ears, he has this little pyramid shape. I'm going to put that in. You can make it curved if you want. I think I like that. I think that's good. That's cute. Okay, so let's do our coloring now. So I have got this kind of a darker yellow. So it's almost going into the orange color. So I'm going to try that with his body. So let's start coloring in his head. And I am probably going to speed this up until we get it all colored in. You guys know how to color, so you don't need to see me color all of this. So we'll be right back. Okay, now that we've got our Pikachu all colored in yellow, I'm going to clean up these sketch lines. Because I pretty much know where everything's going to go now with my coloring. And I might just kind of leave them lightly in there where you can't see them that well, but you know where the edges are. Okay, I'm going to leave the eyes and stuff there right now until we get those drawn in. Okay, so we got it cleaned up a little bit. All right, so let's get his eyes in there. So we're just going to color those in black. All right. That one over there. Okay, and then maybe we can get these top of his ears. Well, that black part right there. All right, that looks good. Let's get his mouth. And we're going to, of course, use a red to color inside there. And then let's get his rosy cheeks in there. And I purposely colored in his cheeks with yellow first because I wanted the red to kind of blend in with it. There we go, that looks good. Okay, let's get our outline done now. So let's just trace over where our pencil marks were. Okay, and then this ear. I'll come right there. Over here. Remember that was that cheek we did. Okay, and then let's get his body done like that, and then the arm. And this arm was up, waving, and then we had two little feet. We can just use little triangles there. Okay, let's outline his mouth. And there you have it, a cute little Chibi Pikachu from Pokemon. I hope this has been fun for you guys. Don't forget to join us every Sunday for Art for Kids Sunday. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing tutorials just like this one. We have Procreate tutorials on Fridays. We have shorts every other day, and we have Art for Kids on Sunday. So take care, and I'll see you next time.